variables are external variables. Yeah, global variables are external variables. Okay. What is global? What is external, guys? See this. Global variables are external variables. Yeah, guys. What is global variable? What is external variable? For example, now I want to declare one variable, guys. Int x. X is how much? 5, guys. Now I am writing functions 1, right? Can I write function 1? This is a function 1, guys. Plus plus x. Can I access here? This is called global variable, right? You know, right? Plus plus x. Can I access? Yes. Now what I am writing is void function 2. Can I write plus plus x? Yes. One more function. Can I write void function 3? Yes. Can I write plus plus x? Yes. Now main function I want to write, guys. How to write main function? I'm writing main function. Void main function series. Can I call function 1? Yes. I'm calling function 1. Can I call function 2? Yes. Now I'm calling function 2 also. Can I call function 3? Yes. Series. Now I am calling function 1 and function 2 and function 3. Right? This is a function 1, guys. Plus plus x. Function 2 plus plus x. Right? We are calling the function 1, function 2, function 3. Int x is 5. Plus plus x and plus plus x. We are calling the function 1. What is the output, guys? This is, you know, right? Now what is the output? 3 times you are incrementing, that is the x value printed. We did not print x value. I am going to print x value. After calling this value, see this. Printf of, I am printing the x value, guys. See this. Percentile x value. Print the x value. What is x? See this. X is 8. Clear up? But this is a global variable, guys. Okay, why global variable? Outside function it is declared, that is a global variable, anywhere I can access. Now can I write here? Is it valid, guys? Tell me int x equals to 5. Now is it valid or error? Tell me. Is it valid? Can I write like this? Is it valid? Yes, right? Because we declared outside, anywhere we can use it. But compiler, see this, what it is showing? 3 errors. I told you yesterday, right? What is a undefined symbol x, undefined symbol x, undefined symbol x? We cannot top to bottom approach. I told you guys. What is top to bottom approach? For example, this axis you are using here, this axis you are using, this axis you are using. If you want to use this x, well, that should be declared before where we are using, right? This is we are using. Where is declared? Down, right? It is error, guys. That's why. Can I give for compiler to understand? Yes. This is a local declaration, guys. This is now compiler prototypes. I told you, right? Same like a variable I have declared x and int x. Now compiler it wants it checks down, right? Now see this 2 errors. Same, guys. Can I declare inside? Yes, function inside. Now I am declaring extern. You understood, guys? Int x. Now again one more error. 3 functions, right? We use 3 functions. Now extern int x. Int x. This is also error. Prototype, same like prototype. Now it is valid. Valid, guys. This is called local declaration, guys. This is called variable declaration. This is variable declaration, right? Now can I write entire instead of writing for each function? Now I want to declare outside. This is what extern. Now same like prototype, guys. If you declare below, same like prototype int x. Now see this. Now compiler can understand below it is declared, below it is assigned, right? See this, the definition we have written here. This is called variable declaration. This is called variable declaration, guys. This is called variable definition of the variable. This is variable definition. Variable definition. Okay, once good, this is valid. I think you understood what is the use of external variable, guys. Application scope variable, guys. Static entire program you can use it. Extern, we can use another variables also in other programs also. That is extern, guys. This is application scope variable. Write this. I will tell you the difference. Write this. Completed. Huh? This is a local declaration, guys. If you declare outside, then it's a global declaration. Okay. What is mean by local? Within that function only we can use it. Now, guys, next one. Next one, guys. What are the default types? Yeah, see this. Can I write like this? Uh, some other void function one or main function I have written here. Yeah, what is the default type? This is what int x I have written. Now I have written int a. Yeah, for example, what is this, guys? This is auto. This is default is auto int a. What about this, guys? Sorry, this is auto, guys. This is auto int a. X it is x a. Okay. The auto int a. This is what? It's not auto. This is what? Extern, not static, guys. Extern int x. Outside variable is defaultly it is auto. Default return type of outside variable or inside variable is default return type of local variable is not. You can write default return type of local variable is default return type. Local variable is auto. Global variable is extern. Okay. Global variable is extern. Local variable is auto. Okay. Na? Next one. Next example. Can I write like this? Is it valid, guys? Now I am writing void function one. Can I declare auto variables as global? Now I want to write auto int x. Now I am writing auto int x. Error. We cannot write like this. This is next note, guys. Auto variables are local variables only. We cannot make it auto. We cannot make auto variables as global. We cannot declare auto register variables outside. Cannot declare auto and register variables outside of the function. Okay, this finally, right, this is error, guys. Okay, this is the next note. This is the next note. We cannot write like this. Okay, this is the next type. We can't write. Okay, now next one, final. What are storage class specifiers? Auto is for what? Auto is a local variable. Auto is for local variable. Yeah, register is for fast execution. Faster, right? These are special variables. Faster than other variables. These are faster than other variables. Okay, finally conclusion, guys. What is static variables? File scope variables. These are file scope variables, guys. Yeah, next one, extern variables. What is extern variables? You write extern variables, they are what? Application scope variables. You can use in other programs also. Application scope variables. Application scope variables means what? We can use in other programs also. We can use in other programs also. Other program is, we can declare one program, we can use in other program. Okay. Application scope variable. We can declare in one program, we can use in other programs. This is application scope. This is final storage class uses, guys. Auto, register, static, and extern. Okay, and also we have different MCQs, guys. I will send that PDF. Okay, yesterday one and this one, and tomorrow and also files also. These three topics I will send. Okay, auto local variable. Register is for faster than other variables, guys. These variables are faster than other variables. Next, static is what? File scope variable. Extern is for application scope. File scope means what? In program anywhere you can use. Okay, if I declare in that program, you can use anywhere. What is extern, guys? Other programs also. I declared in one program, you can use in other program. That is extern. These are the total storage classes, guys, and we have my different my MCQs also on this. I will forward today. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Okay, no? Yeah, only other topic is left, guys. That is a files. Tomorrow class we will continue files. Any other doubts? Yeah, guys, you can leave, guys. Thank you. Manoj, I have sent material, man. Okay, I already I have sent C material. Yeah, Shravani.